Hey my dear students, this is another question. Problem number 100. Draw the various structures of compound A having molecular formula C5H10O on the basis of following characteristics. C5H10 shows if it would have been alkane, then C5H12. Now C5H10 means 1 dB, degree of unsaturation is 1. So either it can be alkene or it can be cycloalkane. So first A part, if A undergoes Cannizzaro reaction, that means CH double bond O should be there. Now CHO you have taken 4 carbons are there. So on one carbon you can place 3 methyl groups. Let's see. CHO is there, and on one carbon you can place 3 methyl groups. Now no alpha hydrogen atom is there. That means it will show Cannizzaro reaction. RCOOK, RCH2OH. Disproportionation reaction. Second, B part. If A gives iodoform test and forms isobutyric acid, salt and iodoform, that means it must be having COCH3 group. Now COCH3 you have taken isobutyric acid. That means dimethyl must be there on CH. So CH dimethyl and then CH2 COOK. That means definitely you got it, that COCH3 on the left hand side you can see here, left hand side COCH3, and on CH2 methyls are there. So you will get CHI3 and CH3 whole twice CH COOK. Clear cut, you are getting the answer. Now let's see the C part. A reacts with sodium and decolorizes bromine water and shows geometrical isomerism. Now to decolorize bromine water, it must be unsaturated, alkyne or alkene, because only one DU, so alkene, and shows geometrical isomerism. That means it is having both the sp2 hybridized carbon atoms attached with different types of atoms or groups. So now it's very clear. Just see, double bond is there, and you see on the left hand side carbon OH and methyl they are different, and here ethyl and hydrogen they are different, so it can show geometrical isomerism. Now my dear students, D part. If A reduces tolerance reagent and has chiral carbon atom, that means who reduces tolerance, who gives tolerance test? Aldehydes, and chiral carbon means one carbon attached with 4 different atoms or groups. So let's see the D part. CHO, and on one carbon always start writing hydrogen with the smallest one, hydrogen, methyl, ethyl, CHO. So this carbon is chiral. So this is very clear. So this is not actually one question. It is made up of 6 questions. You can treat it like 6 questions in one question. Now, E part. If A does not reduce tolerance region, means it is ketone, but gives iodoform test, so it is COCH3 and forms white crystalline solid with sodium bisulfite, test of carbonyl group. So definitely E is a methyl ketone. So you can see COCH3 and pentane 2 on. Pentane 2 on, how to get it is pentane 2 on, because they said does not reduce tolerance region. So ketone, but gives iodoform test, so COCH3. So carbonyl group can't be on third position, because if it would have been on third position, this would haven't given iodoform test. So pentane 2 on is the only possibility, and these are the reactions. Now last but not the least, F. If A gives red orange solid with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, that means it is having carbonyl group, but does not give white PPT with crystalline solid with sodium bisulfite. My God, this is really a fantastic one. That means it is more substituted ketone, right? Because 2,4-DNP test it is giving, but Least reactive ketones, they do not give white PPT. So you can see this is your pentane 2-on. I hope it's clear to each and every one of you, my dear students. This is really a fantastic question. All the best.